We all harbor that spark, don't we? That singular idea, that profound passion, that unique insight we genuinely believe could uplift others or simply bring them joy. Perhaps it's a lifetime's accumulation of gardening wisdom, a cherished collection of secret family recipes, a comprehensive guide to navigating the intricate world of modern finance, or a thrilling fictional universe meticulously crafted within your imagination. You dream of seeing your words out there, making a tangible impact, perhaps even forging a lasting legacy. But then, the stark reality often intervenes. You find yourself staring at a blank page, the cursor blinking with an almost mocking rhythm. The sheer daunting mountain of work involved in conceiving a book, meticulously structuring its chapters, painstakingly editing every sentence, precisely formatting it for publication, and then the even more colossal mountain of successfully publishing and effectively marketing it. You envision the late nights, fueled by lukewarm coffee, the wastebasket overflowing with crumpled drafts, the relentless cycle of starting with enthusiasm only to stop in frustration. You feel the crushing weight of self-doubt, the profound frustration of a brilliant idea held captive within your own mind, seemingly unable to break free and reach its intended audience. You might even attempt to leverage other tools, perhaps even some rudimentary artificial intelligence, but the output often feels generic. It conspicuously lacks your distinctive voice, your unique soul. It transforms into just more work, demanding more editing, consuming more precious time that seems to slip away. You are, after all, an expert in your chosen field, not a full-time author or a seasoned tech wizard. The once vibrant dream slowly begins to morph into an impossible, overwhelming burden. Now, imagine a fundamentally different path. A path where that intimidating blank page is no longer a formidable barrier, but rather an open invitation. A scenario where your most profound ideas flow effortlessly from the depths of your mind directly into a polished, professionally crafted ebook, instantly ready to captivate and engage your audience. This is precisely the narrative of countless creators who, much like you, once felt utterly overwhelmed by the magnitude of the task until they discovered the transformative power of ebookwriter.ai. Consider the inspiring journey of Sarah, for instance. Sarah had dedicated years to meticulously perfecting her craft as a leading expert in sustainable living. She possessed an immense wealth of knowledge, maintained a thriving blog that attracted a loyal following, and even cultivated a successful, albeit small, YouTube channel. Yet she yearned for something more substantial, a medium that could truly solidify her authority and enable her to reach an even broader, more diverse audience. She harbored a deep desire to author a comprehensive guide, but the mere contemplation of months, perhaps even years, spent writing, editing, and formatting was utterly paralyzing. She had diligently attempted dictating her ideas, sketching out detailed outlines, but the entire process was agonizingly slow, disjointed, and quite frankly, soul-crushing. Her initial passion for sharing her expertise was slowly but surely being eclipsed by the overwhelming and daunting task of creation itself. Then, a trusted friend introduced her to the concept of ebookwriter.ai. Initially skeptical, yet driven by a growing sense of desperation, Sarah resolved to give it a try. She began by carefully feeding the platform some of her existing blog posts and the transcripts from her YouTube videos. What unfolded next was not merely impressive, it was profoundly transformative. ebookwriter.ai did not simply rephrase her existing content. It demonstrated an uncanny ability to grasp the intricate nuances of her core message, to perfectly capture the specific tone she consistently employed, and then began the remarkable process of weaving it all into coherent, highly engaging chapters. It felt to Sarah as if she had acquired a dedicated co-author who understood her unique vision with absolute clarity, working tirelessly and efficiently behind the scenes to bring it to fruition. Within a matter of days, not the anticipated months, Sarah held in her hands a fully structured, impeccably formatted ebook. The sense of relief she experienced was immense, almost overwhelming. But the true revelation dawned upon her when she fully comprehended the sheer versatility and expansive potential of what she had just created. This was not merely a single book. It was, in essence, a powerful launchpad for an entire interconnected ecosystem of content and opportunities. Her first strategic move was to upload her newly created ebook to both Amazon Kindle and her own personal website, finally transforming her years of accumulated expertise into a tangible, marketable product she could confidently offer for sale. But she wisely chose not to stop there. She recalled the proven efficacy of a tripwire offer. Utilizing ebookwriter.ai, she swiftly generated a concise yet compelling guide titled 7 Steps to a Zero-Waste Kitchen and offered it for the modest price of just $5. This strategically low-cost entry point attracted a significant influx of new customers, many of whom subsequently proceeded to purchase her main ebook and even enrolled in a higher-ticket online course she had meticulously developed. Next, she turned her attention to the critical task of lead generation. Sarah had consistently struggled to expand her email list, a common challenge for many online creators. With the invaluable assistance of ebookwriter.ai, she expertly crafted a free, highly niche-specific guide, a beginner's handbook to composting, and offered it as an enticing incentive in exchange for email signups on her dedicated landing page. For those who opted for the add-on, the integrated flipbook and lead capture feature streamlined this entire process, seamlessly integrating directly into her account, without requiring any additional hosting services or complex website building. Her email list experienced an explosive growth, now populated with genuinely interested and engaged subscribers. She also astutely leveraged her new content for the crucial purpose of authority building. She created several smaller, focused ebooks, each meticulously addressing a different facet of sustainable living, and branded them prominently with her own name and logo. She even ingeniously utilized the flipbook version to generate unique QR codes, which she then printed and distributed at local farmers markets and various community events. Attendees could effortlessly scan the code and gain instant access to her valuable content, effectively positioning her as the undisputed go-to expert within her local community. And within the pages of these informative ebooks, she seamlessly embedded affiliate links to her favorite eco-friendly products, ingeniously transforming her authentic recommendations into an additional, consistent income stream. The utility of her content did not cease there. With the specialized add-on that facilitates the conversion of YouTube videos or blog posts, she could simply paste the relevant links, and ebookwriter.ai would expertly rehash and transform that existing content into fresh, entirely unique ebooks. This groundbreaking capability meant she could constantly repurpose her existing material, consistently offering new and valuable insights to her audience, without the arduous task of starting from scratch each time. She skillfully extracted snippets from her comprehensive ebooks and ingeniously transformed them into engaging social media posts, detailed blog articles, and even meticulously crafted scripts for new YouTube videos. Automating her content creation process had truly become her strategic superpower. Sarah even ventured into the promising realm of offering done-for-you ebooks to local businesses. She proactively approached a local organic grocery store and, using ebookwriter.ai, created a bespoke guide to seasonal eating specifically for them, prominently branded with their distinctive logo. The grocery store enthusiastically adopted it as a thoughtful customer loyalty gift, and Sarah, in turn, earned a significant fee for her valuable service, demonstrating the diverse monetization avenues available. And for the astute affiliate marketers among us, the possibilities unlocked by ebookwriter.ai were truly boundless. Sarah quickly discovered how to effectively utilize ebookwriter.ai's built-in tools to convert Amazon or ClickBank product URLs directly into comprehensive, insightful review ebooks. Imagine for a moment the strategic advantage of creating an in-depth ebook centered around a highly popular product, such as a specific brand of slow cooker during the bustling holiday season. You meticulously craft a detailed, genuinely helpful guide, embed your unique affiliate links within its pages, and then publish it on platforms like Amazon Kindle. When potential customers search for that particular slow cooker, Your informative ebook prominently appears, offering invaluable insights and expertly guiding them directly to your affiliate link. This represents a genuine game changer for generating consistent, passive income streams. Sarah's remarkable story is but one compelling example among countless others. From the creation of essential team training guides for businesses to the strategic packaging of bundles of ebooks for high-ticket offers, or even the exciting transformation of your digital masterpiece into a physical book to be proudly distributed at events, ebookwriter.ai truly unlocks an entire world of previously unimaginable possibilities. It effectively removes the inherent struggle from the creative process and places the immense power of publishing, marketing, and monetization directly into your capable hands. No more prolonged periods of staring blankly at an empty page. No more feeling utterly overwhelmed by the intricate technicalities of content creation. Just your brilliant ideas, amplified, meticulously polished, and fully ready to make a profound and lasting impact. ebookwriter.ai is not merely a sophisticated tool. It is your dedicated partner in the transformative journey of converting your invaluable knowledge into widespread influence, your deep-seated passion into tangible profit, and your most ambitious dreams into a compelling reality. If you are truly ready to unlock your full, untapped potential as a creator, to confidently share your unique message with the world, and to meticulously build the future you have always envisioned for yourself, then the time has come to personally experience the unparalleled power of ebookwriter.ai. Click the link below to learn more and embark on your own transformative journey today.